guys, welcome back to the channel. As you see, I got another item. This is spring season, and you know guys, we got a lot of lawn work to do. So I ended up picking up these things, this lawn aerator strap-on for your feet. As you know, aerating your lawn is always recommended to help promote good grass growth. So I picked these up, and we're going to look at them. All right, this is the first time me ordering something like this. Don't know if it's gonna work, but let's take a look at it. All right, let's do a quick unboxing, look at it, and then I'm gonna record and see how it works. All right, 4 steps to perfect lawn. Okay, that's good. Give you a little how-to, shows you how to put it all together. All right, these are the straps. Give you a little tool with it, and here are the boots. All right. So again, here they are. GoPPA, I guess, Papa. So here they are. Let's get it all together. Let's check it out. Let's see if these things actually works. I hope they do, because as you know, the rental machine, which is not not that expensive, but it's a heavy machine. All right, and especially if you guys are getting up in age, and you don't want to be dealing with a big, large machine, and you definitely don't want to pay someone to do, you know, they're going to charge you $100 just to aerate it. This may be a good fit for you. All right, so me, I'm always willing to try something. And hey, walking around, that's for free. All right, don't have to pay anybody to walk. So, all right, so let's put this together, and let's take a look at it and see how it puts together. All right, guys, got everything on here. I'm using a 7/16 socket to get over these nuts here, so I can tighten it down. All right, because as you see, when you put them in, they recess perfectly inside. So I'm just going to use my socket instead of what they gave me to torque these down. So I'll make sure I have no play. And to tell you the truth, they went on pretty quick. To set it up is pretty, say about 3 minutes, 4 minutes tops to get all the screws in. And then you just come back and just tighten it down, and you should be good to go. I'm going to set up the camera in a different angle. I'm strapping it on my feet, and we'll see how these things work. All right. And I believe this model is a little more expensive than the other models out there. And I think what attracted me to this model when I bought it, it was the ease of putting it together. All right, really, just slip it through, put the screws, torque it down, and you're done. You're not fussing with it, and you know, that's what attracted me on picking these up, opposed to the other pair, which I think is a lot more screws and more time consuming in putting together. This one really went together in no time, and as you can see, I'm almost done tightening these all down with my ratchet, and I'll be ready to put it on my feet and to get it going. All right, so let me just get this on, finish this up, and let's switch our angle. All right, oops, excuse me. Let's switch our angle on this. Okay. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to set this up. It doesn't look like left or right, either or. I guess it can go with. So. Let's see what we got here. I'm just gonna come across on here. All right. All right, guys. Dropping them down is really not that difficult. It's easy to do. You just gotta pull it here, to tighten it down. As you can see, I'm using my heavy boots or my Timberlands. So I recommend you have some decent boots when you put these on. So right now I'm gonna walk around and see how these things work. All right. All right. So let's get this set up and let's see how this works out. All right, guys. Let me tell you about these things here. They do work, but and I find if you march around like a marching band, it will work. I don't recommend them if you got hard soil. It may not be good for you. You got a lot of rocks in your soil. It may not be good for you. But if you got relatively soft soil, plain flat, grassy area, this can definitely work. Also, for you guys out there, and your wife is already telling you that you should work out, you'll definitely be working out putting these on. All right. So I suggest get you a nice beer, ice drink, whatever you like. Strap them on with some good boots and get them marching, because it ain't gonna aerate itself. So if you don't mind walking around, marching around your yard looking ridiculous, this could be for you. I like it. So I'm gonna get back into my workout and my yard work at the same time, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.